Ooh. Wow. Wow. Hey my beauties, this is Carol. Today we have an interesting video. The product we are going to be talking about is Lids by Design, and it helps to lift your eyes. So let's begin. Let's move this to the left. One of my very, very best friends of almost 60 years was having trouble with one of her eyes. One of her hoods on the eyelid was sagging down and it was starting to make her eye close. So she was contemplating surgery, but that she just didn't want to do. I'm going to put a picture up of her and show you her eye, how it was and how it changed with this product that I'm going to show you called Lids by Design by Contour RX. It's eyelid correcting strips. It works instantly to redesign the shape of your eyelids, lifting and correcting, taking years off your appearance. Okay, it comes with this little booklet, and this little booklet is in many languages. This unique design is for loose, sagging skin hanging over your lashes, heavily hooded eyelids that may be impairing your vision, and that's what was happening to my girlfriend. Asymmetrical lid making you feel and look uneven. Our skin-like technology is wearable technology that feels like skin and becomes invisible on contact. We are proud to provide you with a product that is safe and comfortable and easy to use. So the instructions are to apply to a clean eyelid. No moisturizers, no primers, no concealer, no creams, no serums, just a clean eyelid. And this is what they give you, a pack of these little pads to wipe your eyelid and prepare it for the process. Once you've done that, then you take this little box that contains all the sizes or just the size you ordered, depends what you ordered. I don't know what the number of the sizes are, but I picked this. I have it on right now. I have it on. I want to tell you, I only have eyeliner on and mascara. I have no shadow base, no primer, no eyeshadow, nothing on my hoods. And look at this. Okay, so I'm going to tell you right now, I'm impressed. I am so impressed by this. It's amazing. And if my girlfriend Kathy wasn't impressed by it, I wouldn't even be doing it. I mean, when she showed me her pictures, I called up the company and said, I want to do a review. Would you send me your products so I can show everybody? And they did. In fact, they sent me 2, so I'm going to give it away, okay? So that'll be a giveaway in this video, plus other goodies. When I do a giveaway, I have lots of other little goodies. I'm going to show you a demo and show you how it works. Here we go. Lids by Design works instantly to redesign the shape of your eyelids, lifting and correcting, taking years off your appearance. Here is a picture on the box. They are from size 4mm to 7mm, and there's 80 of them. Not sure what size I need, but I think a large. I don't know. Oh, that looks, all right, that looks a little small. These look a little bigger. Now, it says Prepare your eyelid with the prep pads to ensure that your eyelids are clean, allowed to dry before placing the correcting strip onto your eyelid. We take this, it's a prep pad. Now I have no eyeshadow base, no moisturizer, no creams, nothing on my eyelids. That is my natural color. I have eyebrow pencil on, eyeliner, and mascara. So I'm just cleaning the hooded area. This is fun. Identify the fold. Identify the areas where you find your eyelid is folding over. This can be identified by a fold or a line on the eyelid. Remove the strip. All right, we'll let this dry. And these are the little tweezers that came with it. So carefully peel the strip of the sheet using tweezers. Place the strip across the eyelid fold. Gently twist the tweezer to release the strip. So I don't know if you put this in the crease or, well, it says on the fold. Okay. So well, that's not going to do it. I mean, it's got good sticking power. Just, I don't know where to put it. It looks like I have eyeshadow on, doesn't it? I could see this working if I could just place it right. Eyelid fold. Well, my eyelid fold is this way. Well. Oh. Okay. Well, that's back, but I could see it. All right, I'm going to go watch a video. I'm trying to figure it out until then.
So you can see the strip right here, I've laid it on. If you just do the slight swipe, you're still not going to bond it. The magic happens when you press and hold. Look at how half of it disappeared. That's that press and hold. You can't just do a light swipe. If you can see the film, that means you haven't bonded it yet. Look at this.
I think if I pull this up and then do it, yes. I think that's how it works. Let's see, let's try this one again. Evidently they got a lot of sticking power. All right, I'm going to pull this up. I think that's how you do it. Okay, placement is the key. Wow. Holy cow. I am impressed. Okay. Here. It's like putting on eyelashes. And they said you could put makeup on over it. Okay, girls. This is really something. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I am so impressed by this product. I am just so amazed. Absolutely amazed. You can't see it. You can't feel it. It's just, it's lifted my eyes, and as you saw, all the pictures I posted here, all the other women, it's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. So, I think they gave me a link. I'll check, and I'm pretty sure they gave me a link. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great night, a great day, and I love you all. Mwah!